Introducing the next generation GMC Sierra Denali with the Multi-Pro tailgate with 6 functions to adapt to your needs. It's the most innovative tailgate ever. The primary gate opens with the touch of a button or when activated by the key fob. The built-in load stop helps keep long items secure. Flip the inner gate down for closer access to the box. It converts to a step, supporting up to 375 pounds. Drop the inner gate for a second tier of cargo with a load stop. Drop the load stop, you're set for a perfect work surface. The GMC Multi-Pro tailgate, ready to help you work, play, and live like a pro. Proportions sharpened. Ride taller. Drive smarter. Road presence undeniable. Grill to gate, roof to road. Unlike any truck you know. Introducing the next generation GMC Sierra. Arriving fall 2018.